Hello and welcome back. As luck would have it, I was able to find two of these transistors. The two SC1815 is the transistors in this radio, and as you can see, I have the transistor in place, and now to see if it's going to bright and dim. Okay, that's working. I also noticed even just turn on the radio that resistor that's in there, the big resistor, is getting hot, so I'm going to remove it and I'm going to put it on the opposite side of the board and see if I can extend the legs. That way I'll have the radio repaired, and then I can order the parts and probably replace them with new when I get a chance. So just a matter of swapping out that resistor and putting it on the back side of this, and we'll be fine. Now, before you start to laugh, I live in Canada, in eastern Canada, Newfoundland, and you can't buy parts here. 800 kilometers away in St. John's, in the capital, you may be able to find this part. So these parts have to be ordered online. So here we are. I took some legs off another capacitor, soldered them into the circuit board, and then I added the resistor here. I'm going to put it back into the radio, and this is going to be the temporary fix. Hopefully I'll be able to find a part and do a proper job. As you can see, it's on the opposite side of the board now, so this thing gets hot, and so it's plenty clear. I'm going to tape this up so that, well, not tape it up, but just make sure that there's nothing touching it. So that's the temporary repair until I get the parts. I'm going to turn on the radio now and see if it works. So there sits that big hot resistor on the outside now, where it's going to get lots of fresh air to keep cool. And now the question is it going to work? And it should. We just seen it working a while ago, so let's give it a go. I can find the cord. Drum roll. Everything is all tangled up here, guys. My apologies. Look at that. Just gonna make it. Okay, let's get this clock to stop blinking there. Here we go. Not a bad repair. Not a perfect repair. Waiting on new parts. Thanks for watching.